Ow, you fucking whore.
He wants the squeaky balls
No,
now.
he wants
Get
everything.
off the table.
Damn, dog, chill. Oh, Megan.
Oh, my blanket.
Go under there. We're never taking that away from him. We're gonna risk our life trying to take that away from him.
Here. When you want them, they're there.